In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make transparent circle in FigJam. A transparent circle is perfect for highlighting parts of your board without covering anything up. Think of it as a clean outline that draws attention while keeping the content beneath fully visible. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can set it up quickly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and heading to figma.com. Sign into your account using your usual credentials. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your Figma home screen and can jump right in without any extra steps. Next, open FigJam. You can create a new FigJam file from the home screen or simply open a recent FigJam board if you already have one you want to work in. Either option works. The important thing is that you're inside a FigJam canvas where you can add shapes. Once you're in your FigJam board, look for the Shapes and Connectors tools in the toolbar. This is where FigJam keeps its basic building blocks. Click it to open the shape options and choose the circle or ellipse tool. This is the shape we'll use to create the transparent circle because it gives you precise control over the outline. Move your cursor over the canvas and draw the circle. Click and drag to define the size. If you want a perfect circle rather than an oval, hold the Shift key as you drag. This constrains the proportions and keeps the circle perfectly round. After you release the mouse, you can resize using the corner handles or reposition the circle by dragging it to exactly where you want the emphasis. With the circle selected, it's time to make it transparent. Open the color or style controls and locate the fill setting. Click Fill and choose No Fill. This removes the interior color so only the outline remains. You now have a transparent circle that frames your content without blocking it. If the outline is hard to see against your background, you can pick a contrasting color for the stroke and adjust its thickness in the same style panel so it's clear and polished while still unobtrusive. That's all there is to it. You went to figma.com and logged in, opened a FigJam board, accessed the Shapes and Connectors tools, selected the circle shape, drew it on your canvas, and set the color to No Fill for a transparent result. Use this technique to highlight text, images, or clusters of sticky notes while keeping your board clean and readable.